Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be talking about how can we sort the data in our pandas data frame, and then we will have a look at the describe method, which is one of the very useful function when we are dealing with data. I'm on my Jupyter notebook. Here I have already imported pandas and I have read the Titanic dataset into my data frame named DF. Let me quickly run this code and you can see that how data looks like. Now, what I want to do is I want to sort the values based on the name column. So for sorting, we can do df dot sort values, which is a function. And inside sort values, we need to mention the column names. So if I will run this, sorry. So if I'll run this, you can see that all the records are arranged with the name in ascending order. So all the names starting with A are coming up first, and accordingly they are being displayed. Okay, the next thing is, what if you want to change this order? So instead of ascending, you want it to be in descending order. So you can use this attribute ascending and set it to false. So now this time you can see that all the names appearing with A are coming at the end and rest all are coming on the top. So this is how we can use this order, ascending and descending. Next thing is, you want to sort based on two columns. So you want to sort the name as well as you want to sort the survived column also. So how can we do that? So the first thing is, we need to make this as a list here. So I'm putting square brackets, and inside this I am populating all the columns which I want to participate in sorting. Okay, so here I am saying name and survive. So now if I will run it, so you can see that, let me look for similar name here. So Anderson is coming 2 times. So by name you can see that it is in descending order, and here next column survived. This is also arranged as per our rule, which is like ascending equal to false. So instead of 0 coming on top, now you can see that 1 is coming here. So next thing is, let's try out. Now say you want to, rather than both arranged by same order, we want one to be in ascending order and some other column to be in descending order. So how can we do that? So for doing that, instead of false, we need to define some values inside list. So what we will say, if name, do you want in ascending? Yes, then give 1. Do you want survive to be in ascending? No, then give here no. Now if I will run this, you can see that the name is sorted by ascending order, whereas survive field is coming by descending order. So let me quickly pull in some common names. So again, we can go with the Anderson. So Anderson is coming up first, and then survived, which is 1 is the greater value than 0. So 1 is coming on top, because survived is like arranged by descending order now. So this is how we can perform sorting. Next thing I want to show you is how we can, what is the describe function. So let me quickly run that. Okay, so if I am running this particular line, you will see that it picked all the numeric values and then calculated its mean, standard deviation, minimum and percentile and the max values. So you may need this function. In fact, you will need this function whenever you are dealing with numerical values and you want to perform some calculations. So rather than you are doing it, you can just call the describe method and it will perform this calculation on all the numerical fields which are present in your data frame. So this is what I have for this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you.